Well, welcome back to Atwood's Garage. Just a quick New Year's Eve update here. I have pretty much everything hooked up at this point. There's my cabinet, got my plexiglass put in, got all my wires done, the trigger, my torch, everything runs. I can trigger the torch. I have lost a laser, apparently decided to give it up. Issue I'm having right now, and apparently it's fairly common with being USB, is when the torch fires, the computer has a conniption fit. So, from what seems to be needing some ferrite beads, put on the USB lines, and that should take care of it. I do have the breakout board grounded to the computer case. Everything's grounded correctly. Torch is on a separate circuit from the computers. Everything's all grounded. But it fires up and this starts freaking out. So, got let's see, Monday, I think Parts Express will be open. They're local to me. I'll run down and grab some ferrite beads. And if any luck, that'll take care of the problem, and maybe by Monday evening we'll be cutting parts. But anyways, this is Atwood's Garage, wishing you all a very happy new year. Best of luck in your projects, etc. Good health to your families. We'll see you later.